In this video, I will show you how to access SPSS using the Citrix server at Illinois State University using an Apple computer. The first thing that you will need to do, if you haven't already, is go to ithelp.ilstu.edu and to go to the Downloads page. From there, you'll need to access the Cisco AnyConnect client. When you click on Mac, you will need to go in and sign in with your account using probably your Office 365 account. And once you've done that, the download will begin. Once you've installed and downloaded the Cisco AnyConnect client, you can open that by searching your applications for Cisco AnyConnect. When you open it, it will likely ask you to log in using vpn01.ilstu.edu. And when you connect, you'll need to enter your ULID and password. And it will tell you, welcome to ISU, and then we'll connect. The VPN is important because it is what gets you to Illinois State University services. The next thing you'll need to do is go to citrix.illinoisstate.edu, and you will notice a page that says, Welcome to Citrix Receiver. For Mac users, you will need to go down to Use Lite version. This will load a web app that will allow you to work with SPSS. From the ISU storefront page, go to the Apps menu and choose IBM SPSS Statistics 26. That will open a new window that will allow you to connect directly to SPSS. This may take a moment, but once you are on and connected, you'll be able to use SPSS directly in this web browser. Okay, now we can see it's loading. Now, one of the issues you will run into is whether or not you can import data into this virtual desktop or into this web browser. And in order to put data into this virtual environment, you'll need to go to this menu option at the very top of the screen and choose Upload. It will then allow you to choose any one of your documents. I'll browse there to my home folder here. And I will choose a table that I've built before. I will say Open, and it will now ask me where I want to save those files. And it is up to you to decide where, but please remember that these files will go away as soon as you are done with your session. So wherever you put them, they will disappear. So I will just say Desktop for now. And now that file will be uploaded directly into this virtual environment. And now in SPSS, I can say Open another file, and I can choose Desktop. And in this case, I need to just say All Files. And there's my edge table that I want to work with. And it's generating a preview. It'll take just a moment while it incorporates all of those. And here I am with the data set that I will work with. From there, you can run whatever statistical analyses you need to do, just as you normally would in SPSS. When you are finished, however, when you have saved your data, or saved your working file, or whatever it is that you might need, you can save it. And keep in mind that this is going to save it not to your computer, but to the virtual computer that you are connected to. So I will say SPSS test, just as an example. And I will say save. And now, to get it onto my computer, now that I am done with it, I will go back up to this menu, and I will say download. And you'll notice right here it opened into Documents, and there's that SPSS test data set that I had created. When I say open, it now downloads to my computer. And now I have that file installed on my computer in my Downloads folder. To finish your session in SPSS, close it as you normally would. And be sure to go in and log out at the top menu. And that's the end of the program.